Hey guys, John here with Terminal Goblin Games, and today I'm going to show you how to restrict an input device to a single monitor. Now, the reason you would want to do this is, let's say you have a graphics tablet like I do, and you want to do some drawing, but the movement on the pad is very different from the movement you're seeing on screen. So, like right now, I'm barely moving my pen, and I'm getting all of this movement here. And that's because I have multiple monitors, and you see it divides all three monitors into your tablet pad here. And I'll throw a graphic on the screen to kind of show you what I'm talking about there. Now, what I need to do is I'm only drawing on my primary monitor, and I would like it to be restricted to that. So the way you can show this here is open up a terminal here. This is ST as usual. And let's do X input. Kind of a lot of stuff here, but let's narrow it down. I have a Huion tablet, I think that's how you pronounce it. You see here I've got 3, and I'm not sure whether there's 2 of these, but we only need this 20 and 21. So you see ID 20, 21. Now, let's clear this, and let's see what my monitors are called. Oh, wrong one. XRander. There's a lot of information here, but I know my primary monitor is hooked up via an HDMI cable. So HDMI-0. So HDMI 0, 20, and 21. So now all we have to do is X input map to output 20 and HDMI 0. And now 21, HDMI 0. So now, go back to this Krita here. And now you'll see it's way more on like what I'm drawing. It's more like I'm drawing on, actual paper. Well, not actual paper because there's like a weird disconnect from drawing on the tablet and seeing it on the screen, but it's a lot easier. So yeah, that's all for that. You could probably do the same thing with controllers or a mouse if you're doing something weird. But yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you like the video, then like, subscribe, all that stuff. Or share it with friends if they're having issues with this. And go make some stuff. See ya.